Have you ever heard someone say they're so OCD because they like things tidy? Well, obsessive-compulsive disorder, or OCD, is way more than just wanting things neat. It's a real mental health condition that affects millions of people around the world. OCD is made up of two parts: obsessions and compulsions. Obsessions are unwanted thoughts, images, or urges that pop into your mind and just won't go away. Like a song stuck on repeat, except it's usually disturbing or upsetting. Compulsions are actions or rituals people feel they have to do to relieve the anxiety those obsessions cause. Imagine having to check if the door is locked 5, 10, or even 20 times before you can leave the house. That's OCD in action. Now let's talk about remedies. First, therapy is a game changer. The most effective kind is called cognitive behavioral therapy, especially a type called exposure and response prevention. Basically, it helps you face your fears and teach your brain that you don't need those rituals to feel okay. Medication can also help. Some antidepressants are commonly prescribed to manage OCD symptoms. But remember, only a doctor can figure out what's right for you. Here are a few tips if you're struggling with OCD. 1. Don't try to fight the thoughts. The more you wrestle with them, the stronger they get. 2. Talk to someone you trust. A friend, a family member, or a professional. You're not alone, even if it feels like it. 3. Celebrate small victories. Progress can be slow, but every step counts. OCD isn't anyone's fault, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. Help is out there, and things can get better. If you think you might have OCD, reach out and ask for support. You deserve it.